Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail and you will click here. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.